Hi, today what we're going to do is we're going to take apart this warmer pot. And I noticed something when I was looking up internet to look up more information to see what it was. I didn't actually find anything, but I did find one thing about, I found something, a recall on it. So this had a recall on it about burn hazards. Anyway, like we're not going to use it anyway. I just bought it to take it apart. In fact, it didn't cost me anything. It was free because the place that I got it from was going out of business. Anyway, another thing is it has 4 triangle screws, and I got these in the mail today. The triangle screwdrivers for the fan and I was to take apart that needed it. And we'll just use it on this one, and then there's 3 Phillips. So let's get started. Okay, I took it apart. Can't figure out what this is, but I'm thinking it's a variable resistor, a weird looking one. Maybe it is. Maybe what they want to do is that they use a special type of material, since it's going to draw a lot of power. They can't just use like a regular variable resistor, so they use this one here. I don't even know what it is. If you know what it is, leave it in the comments. Another thing I found on here, there's some couple of thermal fuses. This one here looks like the one you'll find in a dryer or a washing machine. It was attached to the base of this heating element. Then there was this one that was under a heat shrink tube inside it, crimped it on there with it. I don't know if you can't see that. There you go, now you can see it. And it's weighted for 157 degrees Celsius at 250 volts, 10 amps. The heating element is 120 volts at 1,000 watts, so that would be almost 9 ohms. Yeah, almost 9 ohms. So this actually, we probably will measure it or see if we can use this as a 9 ohm resistor. Probably can. You can probably use this for a resistor for something that you need low resistance, but you do not want it to burn up. And this here would be a good thing to use. It's just made for, if you use low power on it, it's not going to burn up because it's low power. It won't have enough power to heat it up. Then there's this power cord. This here was attached to this knob right here. You can see that, and there's probably the heat. There's a black thing on it, and I believe that black thing is wait, there's one there. There's a black thing there. Can't only see it. And there's one right there. You can't always see it, but it might be graphite. It might be or some sort of resistive material that that helps limit the current. And that's probably what it does. It'll limit the current. We'll have to see. I might measure the meter to see if I can see any difference of current or resistance. Not current, resistance. Okay, let's do that. Okay, I have the meter on ohms. It's at the 200 ohm range. I'm going to measure it. I measured the weird component, the one knob on it, and it come up with, it act like it was doing anything, like it wasn't even a variable resistor. Anyway, the heating element, if we measure across it, we get 15.6 ohms, which is for 1,000 watts. That sounds reasonable at 120 volts. So this actually could be used as a resistor for anything you want, and it'll be big and powerful, be expensive too. Could probably, it'll depend on if you at low voltage, if I use it as 100 watt, that's 12 volts or so. Or whatever you want to use it at. Because that's way less than 120. So if you use it as resistor, you don't want to if you're in a project and you're going to use house current, you don't want to use that because it could heat it up and it could heat up, start a fire because basically this is a heating element. But if you use it at 12 volts or 5 volts, it should be okay because it's too low for it to heat up at. It might heat up a little, but not as much it would if house current. Will be unsafe. So I think that's about it with this video. That's pretty interesting how this thing works. This heat element heats it up. There's a couple of thermal fuses in there. I don't know why they put 2 of them in there. They could have just used 1. I don't. Maybe it's.
She's asking about you.
Maybe it's one's for the different polarity. So if it blocks it off, it disconnects the other lead. I don't know. Well, I think that's about it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. If you like it,